Have you ever wondered how to take the right steps in affiliate programming? Do you often wonder how to walk in a sensible way in affiliate programming? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of increasing the revenue through affiliate programs in right manner? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about affiliate programs, the sensible way. Now let's get into it. Every day, thousands of would-be marketers scour the internet looking for any and every affiliate program, sign up, sit back and wait for the money to pour in, and get frustrated just as fast when the bank balance still shows a big, fat zero. There are tons of gurus floating around and even more ebooks and articles claiming to know the latest and greatest trick to make tons of money with no effort at all. Oh, and of course, unless you use their method, then you will never, ever get anywhere in your online business and stay broke the rest of your life. We've all seen these before. Let's get real for a moment. If you don't put any effort into your marketing and don't spread the word of whatever you are marketing, then you will get exactly that much out of your effort. Zero effort equals zero results. I hope that's plain enough, and now let's have a look at the sensible way to market your affiliate programs, so you can actually earn some of that internet money pie, and it's yummy too. There are two types of affiliate programs generally. Those that pay you, 1 tier, and those that pay you, plus they pay you a bonus for actions taken by visitors sent by other webmasters you have referred, 2 tier. Let's think about that for a moment. What's the easier way to make money? You sell a bunch of products and get paid on that alone, or if you sell product and also introduce the affiliate program to a bunch of webmasters who in turn also sell, and they earn a nice commission and you get a bonus every single time they sell something, just for having referred them to the affiliate program? Okay, I know you probably just smacked your forehead and said duh quite loudly and think I am stating the plain and obvious. If you can get others to do the same thing you are doing, by keeping in touch with them and helping them, and duplicating your efforts, then of course it stands to reason that the bonus you receive for referring the webmasters will generate potentially a large team of people making you money. So, your first task is to find good, well-paying 2-tier affiliate programs. You can always use single-tier programs as a back-end sale or on other projects, don't get me wrong, they will still make you money, but right now, we want to get you started off on the right foot to your own internet income. So, you've gone out and found a well-paying affiliate program, and you are ready to rumble and make money. Not so fast. How are you going to promote it? What is your plan of attack? That's another problem many marketers run into. They just run off and don't think before they act, and that again results in a lot less return for all of your efforts. Here's what I have done in the past and always do. Feel free to try this out and see the results for yourself. After finding the affiliate program I want to promote, I check the resource material provided by the program. Sometimes, depending on how new the program is, I use their material to get things rolling, but almost every time, I start to write some ads of my own, perhaps an article or even an ebook that I can use to promote the product and the affiliate program with. Some of those resources are available to readers of the 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐬 Success Tips newsletter, for example. Another thing I do, after putting together all the marketing material I want to use, is to check out the competition that's already in the market. I don't really care if there is competition. As a matter of fact, many times that is a good indicator that there is a good demand for the type of product I am promoting. You can do this pretty easily by just going to a search engine and typing in keywords you associate with the product. For example, there are a lot of additional ways to do this that we discuss in our newsletter. There are a ton of places you can advertise your product and the marketing material you are using, such as article directories, free advertising forums, or websites. You can even find a lot of zines that allow you to place free classifieds and websites you can post your ad on at no cost. Another thing that is handy to have is a website of my own, where I can post my thoughts and comments. Nothing sells better than your own plain English comments and reviews, along with any other articles I can find that will help to draw visitors in and make the search engines list my site better. Most of the time, I will take a few of my articles and turn them into a free ebook, or post the articles in article directories where other webmasters are permitted to reprint them in their own newsletter. So now they are spreading the word for me, driving traffic on my behalf and orders too. But I like to help, as much as I like to earn money too, so here's what I do. When I find a good newsletter that I like, then I touch base with that publisher and offer him the article, but I also tell him it's for a 2-tier affiliate program, and if he would like, then he could use my article. If he either leaves my box in place or signs up under me, then I let him add his link into my box, so he can earn the bigger piece of the pie, and I get the bonus commissions from his sales. Now, why would I do that? Simple. I do that because there's a much better chance that he will send out my article sooner, rather than later, because now he has the potential to earn money with it too. Find a few publishers like that and you are well on your road to getting a nice piece of the pie. The great thing is that anytime you find a new affiliate program to promote and write a new article, you already have made contacts that you can send it to, so it gets easier every time and takes a lot less effort on your part. Well, there you have the sensible way of making money with affiliate programs. And, with that, we've reached the end of this video all about affiliate programs, the sensible way. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.